How to whiten teeth instantly with baking soda. Your smile can reveal a lot about your personality. While unnaturally white and sparkling teeth may be a little unnerving, a healthy white smile gives off an affable impression and inviting signal. Regular consumption of dark liquids like red wine, beer, black tea, coffee, and colas is the most obvious culprit responsible for yellowing and staining of the teeth. If it's dark in color, it's bound to stain those pearly whites of yours. Smoking is another major cause of stained teeth. Method 1. Use baking soda with water. One of the simplest ways to use baking soda for teeth whitening is to use a baking soda and water paste. This one ingredient method is fast and easy to put together, and you can easily make use of tap water for this. Use baking soda with lemon juice. Lemon juice is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a lot of home remedies, including teeth whitening. While people are often wary of using lemon juice on their teeth, it can produce good results without any adverse effects if used with certain precautions. Use baking soda with coconut oil. Coconut oil has been recognized recently for its benefits regarding oral health. It contains lauric acid, an agent that breaks down harmful bacteria in the mouth, thus improving oral health. When combined with baking soda, it makes for a healthy and safe teeth whitening recipe that takes all around care of your oral health.